Another week, another wash day. This one is all about Amor, my 6-year-old daughter. Jumbo beautiful people, welcome back to our channel. Yes, it's our channel now because I'll be featuring Amor's routine too. So I got you, mamas. And today we are diving into her full wash day journey. Let's just say shit is about to go down. We are unraveling, detangling, washing, conditioning, and then styling into the cutest chunky twist. That's 3 full stages of drama and high emotions. Oh, somebody save me. Before we dive in, don't forget to subscribe and tap to that notification bell so you never miss a wash day updates or a meltdown. So we're starting off by unraveling her mini twist. She has had these mini twists for almost a month now, and it's time for a fresh look. One trick I swear by is spraying diluted apple cider vinegar right on the roots before shampooing. It helps lift product buildup and makes detangling her 4C hair a little less painful. Just a little. I use this on my locks too. It's a game changer for wash days. Next, I go in with homemade flaxseed gel to detangle. If you do your own hair, you probably know how to make this. But in case you're curious, I use 1 part flaxseeds, 2 parts water. Boil, strain, and done. Now, is it the most magical detangler for 4C hair? Probably not. But it's super affordable, it's natural,
and it's rich with nutrients that is amazing for natural hair growth. So yeah.
Plus it gives enough sleep to get us through the worst tangles. After that whole session, we took a little break. Feelings were hard and everyone just needed space. Alright, detangling is done. Now it's time for washing and conditioning. We're using 2 different shampoos today. First up, it's Kids Shampoo by Microlocs. I honestly bought this because it was affordable and I wanted to try a budget-friendly kids brand.
But it leaves her hair dry.
So I follow up with Vertica shampoo, which gives us a bit more moisture. Now on to conditioning. And this part deserves a whole conversation. The Microlocs conditioner claims to be detangling, but yeah, not for this hair, not even close. So I brought my old stash, Tresemme conditioner. It gives that slippage we desperately needed, especially after all that unraveling and detangling. Because at this point, tensions were very high. Oh, and if you're wondering why we do all this from the kitchen sink, it's simple. It's faster, it's easier, and it saves us both the drama from trying to wash her hair from the shower. That's how you end up with a sick child with a running nose and a stressed out mama. This way I can just focus on her head while she keeps herself entertained. By this time it's already 3 p.m. and honestly this is the part where I always want to give up. But you can't quit life, right? So we power through. I went with 6 chunky twists. Simple, cute, and quick to do. Well, in theory, because qua ground, things are never that the same. I started by applying some whipped butter on her damp hair. Yes, from that same massive jar I made centuries ago. Still going strong, by the way. But I'm trying to finish this up so I can test a new bunch I've been working on. Next, I used Vertica styling gel. Now listen, I don't love that I have to use so much just to get some slippage. It left a white residue at first, which thankfully disappeared once the hair dries, but still not impressed. Definitely adding more kids curling cream to my testing list. And finally, we are done and we made it through another wash day alive. I am relieved. Amor is happy. Thanks so much for sticking with us through all this chaos. Let me know in the comments below which part of Amor's routine was more relatable to you. And also, what products are you guys using for your little ones? Don't forget to like this video, subscribe, and join us as we learn, grow, and vibe together.